we just did a photo shoot and it was an amazing experience. For our track is releasing tomorrow, so we did something very different in a very different look so that you guys get to see us in a very different look before the track release.
इसके पहले भी जितने भी वीडियोस आए आपके देखा जाए तो फिर उसमें काफ़ी बोल्ड सीन्स देखे हैं, तो क्या इस वीडियो में भी बोल्ड सीन रहेगा?
This video is the most hottest and sizzling video that we've done. It's very summer, very youth, very bold, very colorful, and very funky.
It's
Even
like
the
it'll give
music.
you like cool in the summers. It's
Yeah,
very chill, yeah.
it's a cool track.
मतलब गर्मी में तो सुनने के लिए ही है वो। अगर आपको थोड़ी ठंडी चाहिए ना।
But there's a lot of garmi also in the
Yeah.
track.
ओके। फैशन की बात करें तो फैशन मंत्रा क्या है आपका?
For me, fashion mantra is something that is very simple, easy to pick, and something very comfortable. I normally stick to neutral colors and a statement that defines your style, maybe like boots. That is the most important thing for me. I always stick to good boots and something very casual that keeps me cool and comfortable.
For me, fashion is anything that is comfortable and anything that you spend a little money on. Money and comfortability is fashion for me. Anything that is good, sells good, looks good is fashion for me.
देखा जाए तो फिर बॉलीवुड में जो भी आता है तो किसी न किसी एक्टर या तो एक्ट्रेस को फॉलो करता है। आप किसे फॉलो करते हैं?
I think Sonam Kapoor and Kangana Ranaut are very hap. Their fashion statement is so on point always. So I always follow their style.
Thank you, sir.
Me also, I don't like any of the male characters in Bollywood. I just follow the females. I like all of them.
Like
Jacqueline Fernandez, Katrina
Yeah,
Kaif.
she's cool.
She's hot. She's hot. If she ever wants to make a try with me. Yeah, man, I follow the females. I don't like the male. It's very Bollywood dominated. Like they just want to take their own people in there. And for people like us, we are indie artists, independent artists. We gotta do shit on our own all the time. We don't have any Bollywood kind of backup. So that's why I don't like them very much.
सिंगल की बात करें तो क्या नाम है सिंगल का, किस तरह का होने वाला ओवरऑल?
This track is called Instant Grams, and these days, like even us, both of us, and all the youth and all the celebs, most of
Everybody,
the
yeah.
time they are on Instagram, and that's how we got the idea of Instant Grams. And it talks about all the youth scenario these days.
Yeah.
It's the music is also very new school hip hop, and the track portrays the actual real lifestyle of Instagram celebrities or
Yeah.
youths these days.
So it's basically like how everybody is chasing around to get like few followers and
Yeah.
cloud chasing. It's a very funny life, and people from our generation can totally relate to it. What we are
Yeah,
trying to
exactly.
get the message. So it's straight up. It's just a funny and very new age kind of music, youth oriented, that a lot of people will enjoy for sure.
लोकेशंस की बात करें तो कहाँ कहाँ शूट हुआ है ये वीडियो? क्योंकि आपके जितने भी वीडियोस हैं काफ़ी डिफरेंट लोकेशंस में शूट होता है, ड्रेसिंग सेंस अलग होता है, देखा जाए तो फिर क्या कहना चाहिए इसमें?
We've shot at so amazing locations. I mean, of course, the location look extremely beautiful in the video. They are so fresh, so colorful, so summer oriented. But also, we enjoyed a lot while shooting because we actually had so much fun at the pool shores, the foam dance, rain dance, and all those amazing cafes. So you are going to see a lot of nice, bright, clear pictures, nice, beautiful backgrounds, feminine backgrounds in the video.
Yeah, for the location you gotta thank Mukta because she's done a very good job with the location. I mean, I don't know any person who could do it better than her.
Oh,
She has a
thank
good
you.
taste of like places and people and collaborations also.
किस तरह का एक्सपीरियंस रहा ओवरऑल शूटिंग का?
It was
It
awesome.
was amazing. Initially we just started off with that's how we started. Basically the song has a story. So we started off from Instagram.
Yeah, we
I
met on
texted,
Instagram.
yeah, we met on Instagram. I texted her. I really liked her previous tracks. And I liked her style. I liked how she independently could carry herself around the internet, and I was down for that shit. So I was I hit her up on Instagram and I was like, do you want to collaborate? So the thing started on Instagram.
Yeah, it started on
and by the
Instagram.
end of it, we became there were a little difficulties and all, but by the end of it, we've become very good friends now.
And
I hope.
same,
Yeah,
yeah.
I consider her as my
And same thing with his music. I was like, I don't know what kind of music he's coming up with
Yeah.
because I mostly do like very popish kind of vibes.
Yeah, she does with only popular kind of
Yeah,
people.
and
not with,
commercial,
I'm like a
also
new age guy,
commercial
a new
tracks.
guy.
So I was like, I have to figure out what I have to do
Yeah.
my verse as well. But when Loka came to me and we met and I heard his track, I was like, I'm 100% down for this. I love the music. It's so cool.
Yeah, and we became like very good friends throughout like the
Yeah.
struggle of making this track because we went through a lot together.
Yeah, we actually
And,
had to do a lot of brainstorming to come up with something new because there's hardly anybody in the industry right now, like independent artists or music artists, who are doing something that is so
Yeah.
related to West as well. And our track is like any teenager anywhere in the world is going to say, yes,
Yeah.
this is my life or I want this life.
Yeah.
So we had to actually come up with a lot of international ideas.
And plus working with this track, like, you know, making music together kind of made me mature working with her in the whole scene. Like, I didn't know about cameras and like the color things and all, so working with her like kind of made me a little mature about my
You're
scene.
just flattering me, Loka.
No, I'm not.
कोई funny incidents जो आपके साथ
Squeeze it,
रहे?
smack it, spank it.
Oh, there are a lot of funny
There are a lot of funny incidents.
But there's a line in the track where I in my verse,
Yeah.
it's squeeze it, smack it, spank it. So obviously I'm talking about the bedroom games, and we had to shoot it with a lot of people around and the whole crew around in pool actually. And it was
So, yeah.
initially it was so awkward for us that I have to pose and he's smacking my ass
Yeah,
and
because it
spanking.
is squeeze it, smack it, and spank it.
So
I
we
had to
actually
squeeze,
had to do all
smack,
these
and
movements on
spank
point.
her ass. And I didn't do it like properly initially on purpose. She also don't know because I wanted to do it again and again. Now
That's
in
so
front of
mean.
camera, I'm telling it out in the open, so you guys are gonna see. There were like probably 30 to 40 retakes of that shot. I had fun, man.
ओके मैम देखा जाए तो आप मॉडल एक्टर सॉन्ग राइटर रैपर कितने गुण हैं और
There's a lot more to come. I'm
This is, I
also
think, just the 5%, right? Yeah, this is just 5%. Of
I also play a lot of musical instruments. I've learned Indian classical as well and the Indian drums, so I might come up with something that involves that as well. Also, I am so much interested into art direction and direction as well, so
Yeah,
I
she's
might do
good at that.
something related to that too.
And she's a very good editor.
Yeah.
Nobody knows that. Oh, she
Yeah.
edits the music video. I don't know shit.
I do my first cut, like not the major editing,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
yeah, I like
But
to do
she's
my
good.
own lineup.
With the photos and all also, like, you know, she just costs too much, otherwise I would have given her my shit. to do that. She's very expensive.
कोई एक क्वालिटी जो छू गई हो आप दोनों की एक दूसरे की वो क्वालिटी हमसे शेयर कर सकते
About Loka, I think he's a very cool guy. I was so comfortable with him right from the first day. He has no negativity, no all that hip hop hate and killing spirit in him. He's very positive, very friendly, and he always makes all people around him very comfortable. He doesn't have that attitude that, oh, I'm going to be a celeb tomorrow, and he doesn't throw
Yeah.
shades at people. He's very down to earth, very humble person.
Yeah, a lot of people don't know about me, but like eventually when they get to know us, Mukta is hot. That's all I'm gonna say. Straight up. Nothing else. I found her really hot. and
So
I'm
that's
like-
my only good quality. Okay.
No, she had, with hotness comes a lot of good qualities. When you're hot, you're automatically good, okay? No, but to be honest, jokes apart, like, she's very hardworking. She is like one of the most hardworking females I have seen in the scene. You can take it underground or commercial or whatever. She knows her shit, she knows what she's doing. And like, I had no problems making her my boss during the shoot. Because when somebody's right, you just hands down, if you just put your words and shit might go wrong, but she knew her shit. So like I was just following her blindly. I made her my mentor, and like she guided me through this shit completely, and she's hot, yeah. So both of that, so it was like a perfect combination working with her.
हॉट की बात कर आपके फोटोशूट्स में भी काफी अच्छे
Yeah.
थे क्या कभी घर वालों के अगेंस्ट गए क्योंकि नॉर्मली इंडिया में ये सब प्रॉब्लम्स होती है इसको हम शेयर करना चाहेंगे क्योंकि आपके वीडियोस भी काफी
Yeah,
I
the
think
same
the-
thing is with my videos as well as my photos. But then I actually didn't have much opposition from my family because then my dad is Indian, but my mom is not Indian, and my family is pretty open. They are like, you should always do what you feel is correct and not what the society
Exactly.
feels is correct. So my dad was pretty supportive. Of course, being a girl, my mom was a little conservative initially, but then when like I started as a lingerie model at the age of 13 years old, so that time I was really young. So she was a little concerned that time, but like year after years seeing my work and everything, now they both are very comfortable with whatever I
And
do.
one more thing about her I want to say is, so it takes, balls, real balls to like be up there and be naked and whatever, like swimsuit, bikini, and do your shit. It's not easy job. When she does it, she makes like there are 1,000 people watching around her what she's doing, and she don't give no fucks. She's still doing it like she owns it. So that is one thing about her that like inspired me to, like it's just how you see it, man. So like if she sees it, she likes it. I don't think anybody can like put fingers on her and tell her what you're doing is not right, because she really loves it, and I don't think anybody can do it like you for sure. That's what I'm
मुक्ता,
sure
आप
about.
यूट्यूब चैनल है आपका, 30,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स भी है, देखा जाए तो फिर अच्छे व्यूज़ भी आते हैं उसमें, कैश में है व्यूज़ जो भी है, इंस्टाग्राम पे भी एक्टिव है आप, इस पे
हाँ.
भी सोशल मीडिया को किस तरह से देख रही है?
Social media, I still want to do a lot on social media. Like, I think right now, whatever I'm doing is just putting in hardly 50%. I want to be active on every platform, like every platform as much as possible. I want to connect to as many people as possible, because it happens sometimes that a lot of people, when I was a youth or I was a teenager, I had no idea how to go about things, or I had no one to talk to. And I have realized that having a YouTube channel or Instagram, lot of teenagers or like girls and guys who are between 11 to 14 talk to me about things. So I want to spread that friendliness more, and
Yeah.
get in touch with more
Virtual
and
world is
more
a
and
good
more
way to
people.
connect
Yeah.
to your people around. It's the fastest. You don't
Yeah.
like really have to be around them. Virtual is a good way. Like I think that's the future. Everybody is going to be on internet.
Yes.
अच्छा, आप भी ये मानते हैं कि न्यू कमर्स के लिए बेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म है, क्योंकि पहले हमें चांस के लिए वेट करना पड़ता था,
Exactly.
अब हम
बॉलीवुड
खुद चांस
के लिए
क्रिएट
वेट
करते
Yes.
करना पड़ता है. आज
Yes,
इंटरनेट में आपका
exactly.
उसके she has a fan base, legit fan base. Okay, so if she gets out a product also to sell, I think it's gonna sell out. She don't need no, sugar
Yeah,
daddy or
now
anything. She
now through social media and YouTube,
all of that is
it's
possible.
marketing has become very easy.
Yeah.
And if you're really working hard trying to put out some product, you don't need people to push you in. You can just just gather some guts and put out your own product.
Exactly.
If it is good enough, it's going to work.
Social media has been very supportive. That's why our track is hashtag Instantgrams.
Yeah.
Don't forget that. Social media, Instagrams, it's all out there. So yeah, like yeah, social media is a very good friend for artists like us.
And it's a big help also.
Big
Yes.
help. Really big help.
सिंगल भी आने वाला है, कल लॉन्च हो जाएगा, देखा जाए तो फिर क्या आगे चल के हम आपको एक्टिंग में देख पाएंगे, एक्टिंग करते हुए?
Sure, I would love to do.
Movies.
I would love to do Bollywood movies, but one thing is for sure, I've already made up my mind. I would never do something that I can't connect to. I am never going to do all those goody fancy Bollywood roles or running around the trees shooting with chiffon saris and snow. I'm never going to do that. I will only do what I connect to. But then, of course, I would love to work in Bollywood as well.
किस तरह का मूवी में काम करना पसंद करेंगे? इसी तरह की जिस तरह के सॉन्ग से आपको बोल्ड सीन्स करना, या कि सिंपल स्टोरी रहती है, कॉमेडी?
Somehow, people always talk about Vikram Bhatt, Mahesh Bhatt,
Yeah.
all those movies, but personally, I would love to be in those movies. I think I'm a big fan of the way he portrays stuff, and he actually sells it, and it works for him. So I would love to be in that kind of movie for
Yeah, he's
sure.
got some kind of dark humor in him.
Yeah,
That is
yeah,
very
yeah. Plus, I
addictive, like,
love the way he portrays glamour. I think
Yeah.
very few people in India are doing it the right way, and he's one of them.
That's cool.
का सॉन्ग लॉन्च होने वाला, कुछ नर्वसनेस, एक्साइटमेंट क्या चल रहा है माइंड में?
We are-
आप पूरी मेहनत हो चुकी है, देखा जाए तो फिर अब रिजल्ट का वेट है, ऑडियंस क्या पसंद करेगी, क्या नहीं करेगी, इसके बारे में?
We are very excited. Nervousness, there is always a nervousness. No matter how big celebrity you become, you will always have that, chills and nervousness that tomorrow my song is releasing, and how will be the response, if people are going to accept it, like it. But then with this song, somehow I'm sure the youth is going to love it. Even older people, they are going to love the vibe
Yeah,
of
yeah.
this song.
It's for
So
everyone.
I am nervous and excited, but then I'm sure people are going to love it.
Me, I'm normal. I think it's gonna be a hit for
He's
sure.
cool.
Yeah, I'm cool. I'm like, I just like we've put in 100% and we've done a great job, and people are going to love it. Even if they hate it, they love it. Doesn't matter. We're just gonna keep on working and still gonna
Yeah,
make
we did
tracks.
our best. We love the
Yeah,
product.
we love it. We love it. Now it's up to people. I think if they love it, it's very good for us. If they don't love it, we'll still be making more.
Yeah, and it's always I have noticed it about myself. If you really like a picture, you really like a song, it's 100%
Yeah.
happening that people will also like it.
Yeah, that's true.
So yeah, we are very excited for
We're
it.
very excited about that shit.
कितनी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है रैपिंग करते वक्त सॉन्ग्स करते
Oh my
वक्त?
god, it's a lot of work.
There's so much work. Like
So much.
I have done modeling forever. Like I really started young, but I started rapping and singing since 5 months. And you know, it's very easy to look at people when they put up rap songs or music videos and comment that yeah, they could have done it better, this was not right. But when you actually do it, it's very difficult. Like the video part was always sorted for me, but then I'm learning so many things about audio, and it's a lot of hard work. You have to be in the vibe always, you have to connect with the music, you have to write your own lyrics, you have to do the recordings, get the vibe right, get the sound right. So it's a lot of hard work. It's a lot of hard work, and Loka he does it so flawlessly. It's so natural to him. He's that same cool person in the studio as well who gets his recording done just in one hour. He's a pro.
अब आप दोनों ने देखा जाए तो सोशल मीडिया पे एक अलग प्लेटफॉर्म शेयर कर लिया है अब आपको जानने लगे कोई क्या कहना चाहेंगे अपने फैंस के लिए
First of all,
जो
thank you
आपके
so
songs
much.
के लिए वेट करते देखा जाए तो
Yes.
Yeah. First of all, thank you so much. Like I always have a feeling that I wouldn't have been anywhere without you guys. It's all your love and support. It's all your love and support that you show in each and everything in my life, every small up and down. So you know, it's like a family. I am connected to you guys, and I don't think I would have been what I am today without you guys.
To my fans, like I barely have any fans right now because this is my first project and she already has a lot of fans.
Come on, you have a lot of fans on Instagram.
Yeah, like with my music and all. Yeah. So what I want to say is like I want to, if I grow, I'll make sure that my fans also grow with me. So there's
Exactly.
no artist in this industry who's ever made money and given it to their fans. So I want to tell you all that if you guys become my fans, every show I make, every deal I crack, 25% of it goes to you all straight away. I spend it right there to my fans, my real fans, and money keeps it real, you know. So I'm gonna have real fans. So that's my deal. I grow, my fans grow, and I gotta give some money to donation, and that's it. That's me. It was amazing working.